So we're still moving along with the garage. Here's the next part. Got 2x6s, and here's what we're gonna do with them. As you can see, there's a gap here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put another 2x6 there, so that way when I go to put the foam board down for the radiant heat, I'm gonna put a piece of foam going across there, and I wanted to have something extra here to hold it and glue it to, because they say that 60% of your heat loss comes from the perimeter of the floor. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to dig down just a little bit so that the 2x6 fits, which I've already started here, and I'll go around and do that everywhere.